exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we are going on the Volkanu, Quest for the Golden Idol. It's a shooting ride. Okay, here we are on the Volkanu. I got you, statues. Oh god. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god. Oh, we got it. Oh, volcano's gonna eruption. Oh god. Oh god. And a little animatronic. Oh god. 29,250 is my current score. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, these are scary looking creatures. Of course they're just robots, so they're just, oh, we got some more statues to destroy. Oh god. Oh, oh my god, a fire. Oh, I'm burning. It's burning. Oh god. 59,000. Oh, these are little tombstones. Remember, they're just robots. They're just robots. Oh god. Oh god. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, there's another pole. I got 116,295.
Did you even shoot?
I did shoot. Uh-oh, another stat. Oh, tombstone.
Oh, I really wanted 400.
Adventurers, please replace your thermal equalizers and exit the Inferno transport to
I will. Thanks for that. Well, hey, that does it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.
Awesome.